Before this video starts, I want to tell you guys that I am currently sick. I was sick when I was recording this, and that's all. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be, well, shooting. We're gonna add shooting to our guns. So, this is where we left off. We have a gun with a bit of mechanics, basically. No walking, anything, which we can add today. So first we want to go into our script and we're gonna, before we add shooting, we're gonna add some sway so it looks less like you're dying every second. So we'll go up here and we add the character, local humanoid. My brain just died. Equals character, wait for child, humanoid. Oh yeah, and also if you have your game published, you want to go to game settings, avatar, and then set it to R6. If not, then you're going to want to publish your game so you can do that, just so you can have animations. And then we'll do humanoid.running, connect function, and then in the arguments we want to put speed, and also add a local running variable. And then running equals, in parentheses, speed greater than 0.1. This means if we're moving, then yeah, it just means we're moving, so. And then we'll do local. Do we already have one of these? Okay. Sway CF equals CFrame not new. And then if running, then sway CF equals sway CF lerp, CFrame not new. Math.sign tick, not time, times humanoid.walk speed, and then divided by humanoid.walk speed divided by 2, I believe. So, well, we'll do some extra double checking, cause I don't like to run these videos on a script. And then I will do the same with cosine, and then we'll just do down here times sway CF. So if we're walking, it should go side to side, and then we have an error. Okay. Oh, I forgot to close it off and add a 0.25 at the end. I should probably make this like the rest, just like that. Okay. And then we will do that so we know, that so we know, and then we also need another 0. My brain is running weird today, guys. Uh-oh. And now we see, oh my gosh. It's going too fast. Well, mainly it's just going around in a circle. So let's try dividing the y by 2 so it looks more like we're walking side to side. I forgot to add it. Did my slash not work? Sorry, some of my keys are sticky, so. Okay. And now, yeah, it's just. Maybe I should try the other way. By other way, I mean do that. Just like swap them around so it's less far but more. Yeah, there we go. So now it looks like we're more or less walking. We can add rotating later, but I don't want to like spend half the video on just sway. So before we do anything, we want to make sure we can Go into replicated storage, and now we'll use this remotes. We will put a remote of it in it and call it shoot. This is where we'll get the camera C-frame and then the C-frame that it's trying to hit. Basically, we'll send a raycast from the local script and then raycast it again using the server script. So we'll put a script in server script service and call this main. You can call it anything you want. I'm just gonna call it main, and then local, but we're gonna get all our events, you know, or like all our whatever. Local replicated storage equals game get service replicated storage. Local server storage equals game get service server storage. Local players equals game get service players. And then what we want to do is local remotes equals replicated storage wait for child remotes. Local modules equals replicated storage wait for child modules in case we need anything from there. And then what we'll do is local shoot equals remotes wait for child shoot. And then we'll do shoot dot on connect function player. Okay, we're actually, instead of setting like camera C-frames, we're just gonna get where they hit so we know. So like people can't just put like right where they're hitting and then where they hit. Like hackers. So we're gonna do local character, misspelled that, equals player dot character. If character, then local root part equals character dot primary part, and then we'll get the raycast parameters. Local params equals raycast params dot new, and then params dot filter descendants instances equals character, and then params dot filter type equals enum dot raycast filter type dot blacklist, and then local raycast equals ray or workspace raycast. We'll do root part dot position, and then hit dot position, and then we'll also add an assert. Assert hit is a instance, or we should do type of hit equals instance. Okay, I'm just gonna do if not hit is a base part, then return. Just because I like using assert or anything in a function is so annoying with like, cause it'll say no position found. That's just a small little rant. And then now we'll print raycast. Just cause we're not gonna do anything yet. We just want to make sure it all works right now. And we have nothing, and that's why we have the player get mouse. So what we want to do is mouse dot button one down connect function. Also, we could use context action service to make it mobile support. If you guys want that, put a comment down below. And then we should also do next to mouse, local mouse down equals false, and then local arm mouse down equals false. Just so we can aim and whatnot, and I might as well call this L. L mouse down equals true. Mouse dot button, or not modules, but mouse dot button one up. Connect function. L mouse down equals false. So now that we have this, we can do a shoot function, basically. And then we should definitely have that. So we should have W. Actually, no, because we have it up here. So in modules, we can do a new module script. Just call it like gun or something. And then we've got to rename it inside the script. It doesn't really matter, but it's just, you know. And then in this table we'll put automatics equals, and then we'll get names. So, you know, we'll just put in for A1 because it's an automatic. And then we'll put the fire rate. Just like that. You gotta add these square brackets and the semicolon at the end in case we add any more. Same with right here. So we can apply edits, and then we'll do local gun module equals modules wait for child gun. Oh, we should probably do require. And while we're here, we should also copy it and do spring, and then call it spring module. And then what we'll do is if gun module dot automatics weapon, then hold up. Let me see. Okay, that's what we're doing here. Okay. I wanted to make sure we weren't like changing this, but I see object now. So then and then else, and then well mouse down do, and also we should have a local use equals false, and then we'll do use and use and not use. We can use that function so we know if someone's reloading or anything. Well, if they're reloading. And then what we'll do is we should add a can use. And then set that to also false. And then we'll do can use equals false. And can use right in the shoot. And we actually do want to set this to true so we can use it. And then we'll do can use equals true. This is just because, you know, we want them to stop shooting. And can use do. And then we'll wait gun module dot automatics weapon. Actually, we got to do 60 divided by that. So if we were to take 60 and divide it by our shoot time, and that's a pretty fast shoot time. So, and now, hold up, let me find, so we have animations right here, but we don't have the shoot, so we need to make one. If you guys, actually, I'll just, not that. I'll make you guys a quick tutorial on how I make shoot animations quick and easy. So, I grab the handle, or I grab the arms first, and then if I can, grab the handle, and then pivot up, and then make it go back to normal. If I could change the bolt, I would, but see, it's just quick and simple. And there's another way to do it. If you just grab the arms, grab the thing, and then actually use the arm to move it back, and then use the grip to pull it up. Then it'll be a-okay. And then we just want to set this to action, and then publish to Roblox. And we will submit, copy that, and then put it in our server animations. And rename it to shoot and have the animation ID look just like that. And then I'm gonna copy it over and then just do the thing. Okay, I'm gonna set this, oh, it's already set to action because I copied it from him. Publish it. And then put it into the client animations. This is so... Oh crap, I don't want to do that. I want to do a new animation and call it shoot. And then we'll do... Yeah, just gotta do... Where is it? Okay. So, animations.idle, stop, then animations.shoot, play, and then animations.shoot. Actually, wait, no, we're not doing that because we have the thing. I'll just do that, and then do... Actually, wait. Okay, there's something that... If your animation is too short, what we want to do is just say play at the end with the idle. Oh my gosh. And then make sure we have that set up. So, goodness, my voice is dying. And then we'll do just in a spawn function, just so we can make sure it doesn't interfere with anything. Animations dot, where is it? Where is it? Idle server stop. And then copy this, just make it shoot. And then make it idle server play. And then we'll make sure it plays after. And then it's actually very simple. We basically copy this entire thing, and also else if not use and can use, then I'll just do this, and then you'll see we don't have to make it play again. But what we do is just animations.shoot.stopped. Wait. Oh yeah, we should also set use to false. I forgot about that. I'm not gonna use can use here just because can use I'm just using for automatics, so it can set it to false and then immediately back to true. And then we will, yeah, that should work. And before we do anything, we want to make sure shoot, we call it. Alright, so testing time. Yep, and it works. It only shoots once, but that's okay. In for A1 and in for A1. I don't know what went wrong. Maybe I could do that. There we go. It's a bit glitchy points, but now we know it works. We want to remove these prints, and then I can also try doing it inside of here, so in case your animation is actually too short. We should be able to play it back immediately. Yeah, and it kind of softens the blow of the animation, just so it looks more like you're shooting, and then like if you shoot like basically it means it'll be less of it just needs to be less. And then now we can get to the actual shooting. So we will do shoot or local shoot equals remotes, wait for child shoot. And then in here we will, this is a bit iffy, but we will do shoot. Oh crap, we have this set up right here. So we should actually rename it to use in case you make any melee weapons. And we can just use the same framework, and then we can just do shoot, fire server. Okay, this just happens too much. Interact. I have to use this in like 6 games just because I'm trying to keep it all tidy. And then we'll do shoot, fire server, and then literally all we need to do is do mouse.hit. We do send the camera, but instead of sending like what we're trying to hit, we're gonna just see if we can see it from there. Hit.look vector times 100. Hoping I did that right. There we go. And and it checks from where our character is. That took so long, but it was so simple. So we can now do this, and then local humanoid equals raycast the result dot instance dot parent find first child humanoid. The only thing is, if they send a fake gun, then they can do more damage. But like that's basically all that they can do. Which we can fix that later by adding tools and then check which tool they have. Yeah, we shall set this to damage equals and then do for A1 equals. We're gonna do 2 numbers, 10. Actually, we should do 5 to 17. And this will be basically what the thing is getting. If humanoid, then local damage equals gun dot. I have to do this, so gun. Oh, it's because it's sending. I should put module then. Gun module dot damage gun or 0 or 0 0. And then local random. No, we have to do just rand equals random dot new. Next integer. Damage 1, damage 2. Actually, we should just do 0. If damage not equal to. Actually, we should just do if damage then, because you know. Then we'll do this, and then we will do humanoid take damage rand. And now we play. Whenever we shoot at something, yep, and it dies. And if we go to the server, it's dead on the server, which is very neat. And everything works. We're shooting. And that's gonna be the end for this tutorial. So, once again, comment ideas down below. Basically, reloading is next. We also gotta add the effects for shooting. But you have a working FPS system now. Like, everything else is up to you. Well, you're dead. Like, you've been dead. I wanna kill more things. Well, I set up a test range, just, just, yeah, that's the end of the video.